Hey, my name is Raekwon Mayes, and I will be doing this video on football throwing critical elements. First off, you would like to start with your side to the target. And it's very important to have your side turned to the target so you know you can direct where you want the ball to go. And the next important thing is to have your eyes down the field, looking for the receiver that you want to throw the ball to or the person that you're just trying to get the ball to at the time. All right, the next critical element we have is to step into the opposition. As you can see in the video, and it's very important for you to take the step to help you put power behind your throw and help you also direct the ball where you're trying to get it to. All right, now that we have the step right, referring back to that same motion, next you should at some point when throwing the ball have the ball come up to your ear. This step doesn't seem like it may be important, but this step is very important in helping you also direct the ball. Now that you know the first 3 steps of throwing the ball, let's move on into the final step. This step is the follow through. As you can see in the video, when following through, you should snap your wrist when letting the ball go. So to sum it up, you should start off with your side to target, eyes down the field, step into opposition, ball behind your ear, and following through, snapping your wrist while doing so. Thank you for watching this video, and this is my video on football throwing critical elements.